taking subliminals. I am sexually potent and capable of satisfying my partner completely. My penis is healthy, vigorous, and fully responsive. I am in control of my sexual strength and vitality. I effortlessly maintain a strong erection. My sexual vitality is unstoppable, bringing delight to my partner's life. I am the master of my sexual experiences, creating moments of pure bliss. I radiate sexual confidence and prowess. I am in tune with my body's needs and desires. My erections are strong and reliable, bringing pleasure to my intimate moments. I am deeply connected with my partner on a physical and emotional level. I am a skilled lover, knowing exactly how to please and satisfy my partner. I radiate sexual confidence, igniting passion in my relationship. I effortlessly maintain a very strong erection. I am grateful for my sexual health. I am grateful for my sexual health and vitality.